Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗵𝗿 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price climb all-time high above $25.50. The recent range-bound price action constitutes the formation of bullish symmetrical triangle breakout, indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, on the upside, key resistance hold at $25.60 and break above will pull the price further up till $25.85 and $2600 in near term. On the downside, key support hold at $25.15. When 6 gold price settle above 72,000 level on downside, which also act as a key support along with price moving in sideways range and trendline breakout, indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, key resistance hold at 72,850 level and break above will surge the price further up till 73,400 and 74,000 level in near term. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.